2014 Hyundai Veloster. I don't know if it's a little too small for you.
It might be. See, my car right now is very small.
Gotcha. So you want something bigger.
Yes.
Yeah.
Toyota Camry. It's pretty nice. Honestly, you could tell the girl was driving it. But I just don't know. Ooh. Oh, I'm test driving it. It is a Chevy Malibu. I don't know what year, but it's really, really nice, and it's blue actually. Oh, like what? Wow. This ride's really good. Excellent. Hello, how you doing? Good.
We're not supposed to eat apples. Remember what happened to Eve? Everything.
I'm so happy, but so nervous. I just bought my first car. Oh my gosh. Don't hit me, because I got a new car. Don't hit me. Don't hit me. Please don't. I'm not even in my new car right now, y'all. That's how delusional I am. I'm in my old car because I got to park it on the side of the dealership because my stupid self drove myself to the dealership, but I ain't had nobody to bring me. So, as y'all can tell, I'm super excited. I'm trying to speed back to get to that car. Stop. And I ain't got no seatbelt on. Oh, this is just dangerous activities. I'm just promoting all types of bad stuff. Oop, y'all heard it. Click it or ticket, babes, okay? Don't follow what I'm doing, okay? This is dangerous. Matter of fact, we're going to put y'all down. Cause keys, double keys, gum, perfume. That baby look good. OMG. If your trunk don't have this, are you even a girl? Come on. No, I'm just playing, but yeah. I gotta get out of this habit. It's a student athlete habit to just have everything I need in my car sometimes. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. This is an era. So many memories. This, thought I was the shit. This one, I really thought I was the shit. I put my whole initials on this thing. Yeah. Anyway, y'all, I'm so sad. Bye, Sonic. Bye. Mama loves you. Hold on, let's zoom out a little bit. Yeah. Look at my baby. And go inside the car. Oh, in it. This is the bag. I have the clothes. It's the only thing I have gotten for her so far. It's really right there. Oh, wow. So, okay. Now, I'm about to go run some errands with my baby. See you guys on the next video.